Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have October's Glossybox. It has a story, so let's get into it and let me tell you about it. This box is sent to me free for review. This is the October box. They were a little late in shipping it out because their boxes didn't come. If you've seen any of the advertisements for the October box, it was a really cool looking box. It is apparently floating on a ship off the coast of California somewhere. So they went ahead and decided to ship it in just one of their regular boxes, which you guys know I love. I wax poetic about these pink boxes. I use so many of them for storage. I don't think there's any value lost in having another pink one. I personally love it when they match all the other ones that I have. When we open it up, this is our paperwork. And then, oh, more paperwork. And then this is what the box always looks like on the inside. It is so pretty. I love that they tie it up. It makes it like you're getting a present. And that is what we have on the inside. Ooh, something shiny. So let's dig into it. If you have any interest in Glossybox, I will put my link below. It will get you $5 off your first box, which will make it $16. I will put all the details about that below if you want to go check it out. This is what the paperwork looks like. And on the inside, it's going to tell us everything we need to know about what is in this month's box. So we're gonna dig right in. Right off the top, we have an One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer with squalane and rosehip oil. That is what that looks like. And the paperwork says this is a deluxe mini and it has a value of $12. And if it were full-sized, it would have a $38 value. This supercharged night cream gets you up and glowing by the AM. Rich in squalane and rosehip oils, it locks in moisture and antioxidants to combat pesky signs of aging, while barley seed and chamomile extracts soothe away irritation from the day. Let's give this a try. We're just gonna forge forward. It doesn't have ingredients on it. Oh, is it sealed under there? Or is it just very, oh no, it's sealed. And it was a very firm cream. Nope, it's sealed. There are no ingredients on this, so I'm just gonna go forward and hope for the best. It's just a nice little white cream right here. Very light scent, just kind of lotiony, not particularly floral or anything like that. Feels very nice. Their top tip is apply nightly to clean, dry skin, face, neck, and décolletage. Yeah, that's just very nice. And it absorbed so well. And you know, so many night creams don't tend to absorb well, so that's really nice. My first impression is this would even work really well with people with oily skin. Next out of the box, we have a Lip Power, oh, it's Josephine. Lip Power by Josephine, Natural Matte Liquid Lip. That, ooh, that is what that looks like. Oh, she red. That is so pretty. I just put on lips. I just did my FabFitFun advent calendar and put on lips. I guess we could try and put a little bit of this over it. Do we risk it? The paperwork says it is full size. A classic red lip is always on trend. Blended with cocoa butter, olive oil, and vitamin E to create a superb moisturizing texture. This innovative formula keeps your lips luscious for up to 10 hours of wear while holding a soft sheen. Wow, if that is true, that it has a sheen but it stays for 10 hours, that would be amazing. Okay, I say let's go for it. Let's see if we can put this on over another lippy. That is red. That is serious business. Let me swipe a little bit of that off in case it goes too far amok. I won't know until I start putting it on whether it's a blue red or an orange red. One of those is definitely better for me. It's a little orange red, but the point on this is a very nice applicator. Yeah, definitely leaning toward an orangier red. Well, if I were downstairs living my actual life, I would have lined with something first because this is such a dark red, but it's a really pretty red. I like it a lot. And it does tend to lean a little orange compared to blue red, but it still seems to pretty much work for me. That is a perfect, or that is a perfect Christmas color. I like it a lot. Okay, next out, we have the, did I tell you? It has a $30 value. Whew. She's pricey. $30 is a little high for a lippy, but it's very pretty. This is the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion in Superfood Kale and Turmeric. I actually just got this in a different box, so if it's sealed, oh, it's not sealed. Okay, I was gonna say if it's sealed, I'll go ahead and set this one aside, but I really prefer not to give away things that aren't sealed. Back of my hands can always use more moisture. It's just a regular white cream. It's very floral. For when you think cayenne and turmeric, you think, oh, it's gonna have a very earthy smell to it, isn't it? No, it's kind of floral. I would say, if you said to me, what is it? I would say floral. It did make the back of my hands look fantastic though. I feel like I want to keep checking my lips. I'm afraid I'm going to end up with those corners. You know how it gathers in the corners sometimes. This is the Deluxe Mini. It has a $5 value. If it were full-sized, it would have a $31 value. This light yet ultra-hydrating body lotion is powered with Superfood's kale and turmeric. Known for their natural antioxidants, they help protect from premature signs of aging so your skin will feel smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. Next out of the box, we have, I have this on. I'm not sure what box it came in, but this is the Eyeko Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. This is what I'm wearing. I'll just show it to you instead of opening this one too. This is one of the ones you shake. I love it when it's obvious because it makes noise. And it says that this is the travel sized. It has a $12 value. If it were full sized, it would be $22. It is the Eyeko I Do Liquid Eyeliner, a fan favorite. This vegan liquid eyeliner will last you all night. The nib allows full control, giving you the precision to draw the perfect cat eye. Its long-lasting formula is smudge-proof and fade-proof, so you can rest assured it will stay in place. I did, as you can tell, did not do a cat eye, but I don't know if you can tell, this is what I have on for eyeliner. I like it. Okay, next out we have Starry Eyes. We have had this in the past, and this is a very soothing eye mask. It gets warm. It is a self-warming, yes, self-warming eye mask. This is one mask. It warms up in 30 seconds. That's what it looks like. And when you buy them, they come in 5 packs that are worth $20. And it's from Pop Mask. It says, if you're having trouble getting your beauty sleep or just want to feel extra relaxed, Pop Mask could be the perfect solution. Made with non-woven cotton and naturally occurring ingredients, this fragrance-free starry mask will provide warm, soothing relaxation. And I have heard so many people who get migraines and that kind of thing, say this is just fantastic for that because the warm feels so good. I would like them on my feet right now. But this sounds amazing. Okay, and last but not least, we have a More is More by Judith Lieber for Her. It's hard to get that. It is nothing but shine. That is what it looks like. And this says it is the Judith Lieber Discovery Set for Her. Customize your signature scent with this discovery set from Judith Lieber's More is More perfume. An innovative way to experience fragrance. You can make your next favorite aroma as flavorful, zesty, or as floral as you'd like for every day of the week and any occasion. This discovery kit has a $12 value. If it were full-sized, it would have a $145 value. Well, let's get in here. This sounds really interesting. The thoughts of choosing my own fragrance sounds really interesting. So that is what the inside looks like. It says that we have one which is Gourmand, rich and gourmand, one which is more zest, citrus, floral, woody, and one that is woody, white floral. Well, we're gonna smell these. The first one is Gourmand, and that's where I lean. I like it to be kind of musky and sweet and yeah, that. So, you know what? Let's do it. Oh, just a skosh came out. That's nice. Oh, that smells so good. I like just that one. I would wear just this as a perfume. Oh, it smells good. And then the second one is the More Zest. So shall I put it over the other one or shall we keep them separate? You know what? For this first time out, let's go ahead and keep them separate. So I'm going to shoot this on the back of my hand. Okay. I don't think I've ever had a Judith Lieber scent before. If you have, let me know below. These scents are fantastic. They are lovely. I like just that one on its own, and I am tempted to put it, yeah, we're gonna add it to here too. So we'll add it just to that, and then we'll have each individual one and then the combination of the 3. The last one is More Floral. Floral is probably usually my least favorite scent. I lean more toward the, like I said, the muskiers. I even like patchouli. So, but let's try the floral. Put it over here on this hand. Ooh. Oh, how are we gonna blend it? We're just gonna have to let it dry. So we have the singular, oh, so I don't have a singular Gourmand. I have a singular Zest back here. I have the Gourmand and the Zest blended here, which is fantastic. like that a lot. Oh, her floral is, oh my gosh, I love that. How have I not known about her? That is probably, hold on, let me think about it. Let me think it through before I say it. I'm saying it. I think this is probably the prettiest, most wearable floral perfume scent I have ever smelled. Yeah. Throwing ever out there for florals. That is gorgeous. I would wear this one on its own. On its own, I would wear the floral. And I'm not usually a big floral girl. All right, let's add it to our mix over here. Oh, it came out a little more than the other, so it might take over, but this is gonna be so fun to play with. I could see me choosing to purchase this in the future. I love those scents. And even if you didn't blend them, you have a more gourmand scent, a more citrus scent, and a more floral scent. So you would have 3 scents in your life. And if you get the Glossybox, well, you know what? You don't need it because I have it. I was gonna say, if you get the Glossybox, you could purchase this for 25% off your first purchase, but the code is Glossy21. Shh, don't tell them I told you. But Glossy21 gets you 25% off your first purchase because I don't think that you can purchase the October Glossybox anymore. So you would have to get the full size, but just for the record, when you get the full size, look, it looks like it comes in one thing, but there's 3 holes. So I don't know how it works. Can you tell I am a little intrigued by this? Oh my gosh, the combined scent that we ended up with is amazing. I am definitely intrigued by this. Usually with sample perfumes in these boxes where, you know, like, oh, it smells nice and you move on with your life, but I'm not moving on with my life. We're throwing on the brakes and we're enjoying this. This floral is beautiful. Okay, did we do it all? We did it all. That was the Glossybox for October 2021. If you have any interest in Glossybox, I will put the link below. Unfortunately, we have moved on to November. I don't think you can get the October box, but wow, this one was a good one. I know, it sounds a little in your face, doesn't it? Sorry. But they came late because the boxes ship late, but I love these lips. These lips are gonna be, I mean, I was gonna say at Christmas, but let me know below what you think of me in this more orange red. I kind of like it. I know I like the eyeliner because I have it on today. The scents are fantastic. I will be using those. The moisturizer, that's felt really nice. Like I said, I think if you have oily skin, you could even try that. It absorbed so quickly. The mask, the eye mask, it was a good one. I will put my link below if you have any interest. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.